Hey guys, Mark here. Glad to see you. Today we're going to learn a simple trick that will make your text in your design always stand out. Quite simple, and you're going to be glad that you know it. So in design, it's commonplace that the simple things is what makes your design stand out. And this one small trick I learned some time back from a friend of mine. I've used it ever since in every design of mine, just to make sure that my text stands out. And people have always asked me, what makes your text brighter or sharper? And this is the one simple thing I always do after finishing my design to make sure it stands out the best. So let's jump into the computer right now and learn that simple trick. If you hear this little fella shouting in the back, forgive me, it's a bit noisy today. So once you're in Illustrator right now and you already have your design, like I said, the text is in place. As you can see here, I've already put out the design, so it's ready for export right now. It looks great, it looks okay. So there's one thing I usually add at the end of my text just to make it pop. I want the heading to stand out right now, so I'm going to click it, and when I click it, I'm going to go to effects and I open up outer glow. As you can see, a window has popped up, and when that window pops up, as you can see the mode is in screen right now. We're going to change that to multiply, and in the preview window you can see meet the 100 billion rows has become darker. Now to me that's a bit too much. I just want a subtle change, so I'm going to change it a bit to, I'm going to reduce the blur a bit so that it reduces and also reduces opacity to around 45. I usually find that a sweet spot, and then I'm going to click OK. So as you can see, it has added a glow behind it uniformly, and it has made it just pop out of the background. I'm going to toggle that off and on. Now as you can see, when it's off it's not there, but when it's on it's right there. It's such a simple thing, you may not see it, but it will just make your text stand out. And then you can go and apply it on all the other text here. As you can see here, I'm going to apply it to all this text here, and when that is done, it's that simple and your text is ready to export. So that's the simple trick right there, the outer glow effect that makes my text always pop out. Hopefully you can implement it in your designs today and start making your text always stand out. Now for the part I'm sure most of you are here for, the Valentine's giveaway. So I teamed up with 100 billion roses. The example we used, that's their flyer that I created for them. So I teamed up with 100 billion roses to give away something this Valentine's to my community, just to say thank you for the support you've given me. So we're giving away one big bouquet in one of their packs for free to one of you. All you've got to do is go to their Instagram page, follow them, and then comment on this post with the hashtag say I love you, and you'll be entered into that. And I think we shall be announcing it next week around Tuesday or Wednesday. Secondly, we had another giveaway that we created, me and my beautiful wife, that we want to give back to you guys. Our favorite place is Cafe Java's, so we want to give away to one of our subscribers here free gift voucher worth 50,000 for Valentine's. All you've got to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and subscribe below what meal you really love from Cafe Java's, just to get a bit of fun. And we shall enter you also into that draw, and we shall also be announcing that next week on Tuesday or Wednesday. Hit the like button if this was valuable for you, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And always remember to deliver a feeling. Bye-bye.